Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is What's Cooking Baking and my name is Win Palmer. Today we'll be making a quick chicken stir fry, and over here I have all the ingredients, but I'll introduce them to you as we go on in the video. And always remember that I have everything in the description box with their respective measurements, so be sure to check that out. Alright sweet people, let's get right into it. Before we start anything, I'm going to mix up all my spices. Then I'll put half of that into my chicken to spice it up. I'll also be adding some soy sauce, cornstarch, more cornstarch, and then I'll mix that up. That's going to sit aside till it's time to use it. Next, we'll make a slurry, and for that we'll be using some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some sesame oil, some cornstarch, and some brown sugar. Then I'll mix that up and add a little bit of water to loosen it up. And now this is also going to go aside and chill till we need it. Next, we'll heat up a wok or a frying pan, whichever one you want to use. You heat that up with some oil. And then we are going to lightly cook our chicken for between 3 to 5 minutes. We still want this to be tender and moist, so we won't overdo it. Once this chicken has had both sides of it cooked up well, we are going to take that out and then cook the next batch. It's important not to overcrowd your wok when you are cooking up your meat, because you want all of your chicken to cook up evenly and to get enough heat. So it's better to do this in batches so you know everything is well cooked. Next, I'll saute some minced garlic, and you need to watch the heat on this one and turn it regularly so that it doesn't burn. If not, that's going to produce a bad flavor. And right after that, I'll add some carrots and onions. I do this in the beginning, because they're a bit harder and I just want them to soften up just a little bit before all my other vegetables will be added. Okay, so that looks good now, and I'm going to go in and add the rest of my vegetables, my bell peppers. Then I'll give that a mix just to make sure the heat is evenly distributed in everything I have in this wok. Then I'll add the other half of my spices I mixed up in the beginning, because I just want my vegetables to have a good taste to it as well. And then I add some sliced serrano peppers to introduce some heat. Now I'll go in with my chicken, mix that up, let it cook for a little bit, add some chili flakes, because yes, I love some heat in this. At this point, I'll add my slurry to everything I have in the wok. It thickens it up really nice. If you want yours a bit lighter, add a little bit of water or chicken broth. So for me, it was a bit too thick for me, so I added a little bit of water. I don't want it too light either, so just a little bit did the trick for me. And now I'll go in with my spring onions or my scallions, and I put that in the very end because I don't want it to be too moist. I want it to have some bite to it, and as you bite into it, you get all those good flavors. So just like that, within 20 minutes you can be done prepping and making this simple dish. And now I'm going to get myself a bowl of rice and chicken stir fry, and just like that, food is ready. And yes, this is one really good chicken stir fry. It's perfect for those days you are busy or lazy and you don't want to do much, but you need some good food. You should make some stir fry using this recipe. I hope you try this and I hope you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. See you soon.